The ability to be a content creator has allowed many millennials and Gen Zs to really escape what's known as the rat race. This whole concept of just working at a company for 30 years, putting your money in a 401k or a retirement account, and then finally, after years of grinding and living below your means, you can start enjoying life in your elder years. I don't know about you, but that hurt me just to even say that, the combination of sentences. That's boring, and most of us want some instant gratification for our work, which is fine as long as you're willing to put it in. So being a content creator is a means that allows us to achieve that dream. But being a content creator is not easy, as you probably already know. One of the things that can make it easier is various tools that can help you grow your online business and your sphere of influence. What a lot of people don't actually tap into is that these tools often have great affiliate programs where you can use that as another stream of income, especially since these tools cost money to use anyway. You might as well make some of that investment back in the form of referring that service to other people, and then maybe eventually your affiliate income will exceed the amount you're paying for these services. So it's kind of like you're getting it for free and then some. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 affiliate programs that are great for content creators because these particular tools or software help you grow your online business anyway, and you might as well use your affiliate program to make some extra money since you're paying for these tools anyway. Don't you want to help your fellow content creator out? I'm sure you're thinking, well, Elijah, of course I would. It just happens that you'll be able to benefit from it too. So let's get into it. Hello everyone, here on this channel we talk about ways to make money online as well as investing. We're going to stick to that online format today because I'm going to be sharing with you 5 affiliate programs that's really good for content creators to have. Most people in the online market space know about affiliate marketing, but they may not necessarily have tapped the full potential of it. But affiliate marketing is basically a means that you can make more money just by referring a product or a service that you're already using. This is pretty powerful because whether you're a YouTuber or you make money off of Instagram or TikTok, all those fall under being a content creator. You're probably going to bump into other content creators who are getting started. And when they're getting started, you're probably going to end up telling them about some of the software that you're using to be successful. And naturally, they're going to want to get that software too. But in many cases, there's an opportunity for you to earn some affiliate marketing revenue if you just send them a different link than you probably are sending them right now. And if we're being honest, many people love to support you any way they can if you're giving them value. And affiliate marketing is a free way for them to support you. And most people aren't going to pass up on that, especially if they're going to get the software anyway. With that being said, the first affiliate program, which is very good for beginners, I say almost everyone starts here, is going to be Amazon Affiliate. Amazon Affiliate has a very low barrier to entry. All you really need is a website or a social media account that has gotten in total around 1,000 people in terms of traffic over the past 30 days. If you've got that, then you're good to go. And keep in mind, I also said social media account. So even if your website per se doesn't have that traffic yet, let's say if you have a YouTube channel or an Instagram page that has that traffic, you can submit that to Amazon and that will get you in the door of their affiliate program. The way Amazon's affiliate program works is they have 24-hour cookies, meaning that anyone who clicks on your affiliate link, if they make a purchase within 24 hours, you will get a small commission on that purchase. And the best part is it doesn't necessarily have to just be whatever they clicked on. A good example is I have an affiliate link for my book, The Anatomy of Financial Success, on one of my sales pages. I've had people go and buy the book on Amazon, but they also bought like a flat screen TV or some new sandals. I get a commission on all that, not just my book, which is pretty sweet if I do say so myself. Moving on to the second affiliate program that's great for content creators, especially YouTubers, is going to be Tubebuddy. Now this doesn't have much use for, well actually any use for anything outside of YouTube, but if you are a YouTuber, this tool is, I would say, the value really can't be measured. We all know that you need to have a very good thumbnail and title and tags in order for your video to be found on YouTube so the YouTube algorithm can work its magic, or so that you can appear in search for certain terms. And Tubebuddy goes a long way in terms of SEO and showing you what you need to do to make those videos stand out and rank for certain words. I've been using Tubebuddy for years, and it's successfully helped me grow 2 small channels. Obviously the first one is this channel. Without Tubebuddy, I wouldn't know exactly what to title my videos, and I couldn't compare like my video thumbnails to other people's videos to see, okay, is it popping? Is it standing out? And if it's not, what do I need to do to make sure it pops and gets someone's attention? What makes this even better is this is simply an extension. So all you gotta do is turn it on, and as you're doing your stuff on YouTube, it lets you know, hey, this is this case, this is that case. You type in the word and search, hey, this has the SEO ranking, and on a scale of 1 to 100, this is a 53. When you're typing in your tags on YouTube, it's letting you know, hey, these tags are ranking for these things. Pretty useful. They have a free version, but they also have a paid version. So you can actually get everything I just mentioned out of the free version, but if you do want to take it to the next level like me, you could always get the Star version or the Legend version. I have the Star version that has various advantages with it. I'm not going to get into like what the difference is because Tubebuddy makes several videos on the differences. So I'm just going to refer to their website in the description below if you want to know the differences between the free and like the Star. But if anyone clicks on your Tubebuddy link and signs up and then they start paying for it, you can get between a 30 to 50% commission on that sale. And this is a reoccurring thing, which means as long as they're using Tubebuddy, you're going to continue to get that 30 to 50% payout. So in addition to it being pretty useful, it's also pretty good as an affiliate marketing money source. Moving on to the third affiliate program that's great for content creators is going to be Leadpages. Now, at some point down the line, I'm assuming you're probably going to want to offer a service or a product to your audience. And when you do so, a website is great to just explain your business and maybe have your products available on there. But in terms of generating sales and getting the highest conversion rates, you really want to have a conversion page. That's a page where there's nowhere else for the viewer to go. They can either buy something or click off the page. These pages have higher conversion rates because there's nowhere for the person to go. And you can style it to make it look very visually appealing. And Leadpages is a software that I use to do that. I've used it to sell my book, The Anatomy of Financial Success, as well as other products that Financial Anatomy offers. As the name suggests, Leadpages is constructed of pages that are very good for your leads to go to for high conversion rates. Now, the best thing about them is they have several templates that you can just simply pick from and then just, put your pictures and add copy in. So the designing of the page, there's so many templates, you don't really have to do it. Now, you're free to design a page if you want to, but if you're just getting started, you can just grab one of their sales pages or like whatever you need the page for. Just grab that and change the colors around as you fit. Pretty easy. As far as the affiliate program goes, once you've signed up, you can actually apply for the affiliate program, which is pretty easy to get into. I didn't have any problem getting into it. Once you're in the affiliate program, you can get between 10 to 50% of your commission rate based on exactly what tier level you're on. It's split up on the screen, as you can see, bronze, silver, gold. So the more affiliate signups you get, the higher your affiliate commission can be. And the best thing about Leadpages and all of the things that I'm mentioning actually is, if you're a content creator, you can just make these resources available on your profile or in most of the content you produce, whether it be in the description, etc. And then the people who follow you can actually see these affiliate links. And if at any point they want to get involved with that service, they can just click on your affiliate link and then you can start making money that way. And like I mentioned before, it is a free way for the audience to support you. So a lot of people would be down to do it as long as you're giving them value. Moving on to the fourth affiliate program that's great for content creators is going to be Convertkit. Convertkit is the email marketing service that's best known for its autonomous features and ways that you can set up your email marketing so that it's very automatic. You don't really have to do like a whole bunch once you set it up. So you can kind of create like this little spider's web where someone enters the web at the center, and then based on what they want and what they click on, they'll end up at different parts of the web based on their individual needs. It's pretty cool. Now, why does this have value to you as a content creator? Because eventually, and I would hope so, you're gonna want to build an email list because these social media platforms could change at the blink of a notice, and you might not find that change favorable. It could affect your relationship with your audience. Let's say you can't reach as many of them for some reason due to some algorithm change. Let's say, God forbid, your social media gets shut down for some unknown reason. You want to own the relationship with your audience because any of that could happen. I mean, no one's immune from it. But if you have your own email list, and your means of communicating with your audience, then you're just a little bit more secure on this online marketplace. And if we're being honest, even with everything I said in mind, it's just good to have your own email list just to get your content to your viewers. I mean, sometimes these algorithms don't show your content to everyone for whatever reason. But if you have an email newsletter, bulletin, or you send emails every now and then, you're basically getting the content directly to the viewer, so they have the opportunity to decide if they want to watch your content or not, as opposed to somewhere like, let's say, YouTube. YouTube may or may not show your video based on, algorithm technicalities. And of course, if you offer your own products or services, or you will at some point, you'll definitely want to integrate email marketing into the spin, because it's still to this day the most effective way of keeping in contact with your audience and letting them know about the services that you offer. As far as Convertkit's affiliate program, there is a small barrier to entry. They kind of want you to have somewhat of a following built up before you can get into their affiliate program. I applied for the affiliate program when my other channel, The App Lifestyle, was at around 1,500 subscribers, and I got in no problem, but I have heard of people getting rejected if they have like a tiny following. So this is something that you got to build, I would say, a following of at least 1,000 people or more before applying for this affiliate program. But once you're in there, you get a 30% commission of any signups that come using your link. And just like Tubebuddy and Leadpages, this is a reoccurring thing. So if a person signs up, for as long as they're using the service Convertkit, you're going to be getting that 30% commission every single month. And even if someone signs up using the free version, which this applies to Tubebuddy too, if they convert to a paid subscriber at any point, you still get credit as if they signed up that day paying. So you'll still get that 30% commission, and it will go on for the duration of them using the service. And last but not least, we have the fifth program that's awesome for content creators is Kajabi. Now, Kajabi is actually a software that you can use to design your website, but think of it as kind of almost minus Tubebuddy. It's like everything we've talked about wrapped into one. You can do your email marketing on Kajabi. If you put products on your Kajabi website, you can have it so that there's nowhere for the viewer to go except for, to click to buy. So it's kind of similar to Leadpages in the sense of you can set up these conversion pages that convert higher than just someone visiting your website. The interesting part about that though is when a person clicks on the product, you can have it just like this, where I have it set up. They click on the product, it opens a new tab, and that tab just doesn't have anywhere for them to click. So it tends to still have a high conversion rate. Now, to be honest, Leadpages has better templates and designs that you can use, but Kajabi's pages still get the job done, and I can personally testify to this. So if you're thinking like Elijah, all those programs and software, that's just too much stuff. Can I just get everything in one spot? Well, here's your one spot, because Kajabi is known for having everything in one spot. In addition to being able to design your own courses and host your own membership site where you can have content exclusively for members, content for just everyone, you can really divide it up like that with Kajabi. As far as the commission goes, you get 30% of how much the person is paying for the lifetime of their account. So just like Convertkit and Leadpages and Tubebuddy, you will keep getting that money on a monthly basis until the subscriber cancels. Now, I'm not gonna lie, Kajabi is easily the most priciest thing on this list, so it does require an investment on your behalf, but it does have that everything is included in this platform kind of feel. And if you plan on really launching an online business, not just being a content creator, I would say Kajabi is a great resource because it gives you the ability to make online courses, host your own membership site, and it's fairly easy and intuitive to design the website with. And with that being said, we've covered 5 affiliate programs that are great for content creators, because at some point or another, you'll probably find yourself needing this software to accomplish a particular goal. And once you get involved with it, why not let your fellow content creators also know about it so that they can benefit from it and you can benefit in the form of an affiliate commission. If you want to sign up for any of the programs that I mentioned here, there are going to be links in the description. Full disclosure, those are affiliate links, but I think you probably knew that by now. And if you have any questions about these programs, I'm here for you. Just leave them in the comments and I'll either answer them in the comments, or if it warrants a video, hey, we might look at making another video specifically on that software. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, like I said, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I drop another video. and hit that like button if you found value in this.